Okay, here we are in tutorial 9.0 again, and we've completed 9.1 through 9.4. Now we're at 9.5. We're going to look at removing a data source link. If you remember, we established links in Visio. I have it open. I'll just get back in there. We established data source links to the truck spreadsheet, the Camaro, and the oldie. Now, there may be a situation where you want to completely decouple the links. Reason being is maybe you want to just work from a fresh start, and you can do that easily, and I'll show you what's involved in there and what happens. So if we go to our external data window, we have truck. We're going to right mouse click, and you see we've got float and close window. I clicked the wrong place. So click over in the white area, the entire area of external data, and you can go here to data source and remove. Now you don't have to worry, because although you have these links, it's going to remove the entire source and the links. So go ahead and do that. Of course, you got to have a good reason for doing it, but then again, it's easy to reestablish. I'll show you. So it asks me if I want to do that. I say yes, and I'm going to delete all 3 data source links. Remove Camaro, and also remove the last one, oldie. So there they are. They're all gone. So I might as well just close my external data window. It's of no use to me right now. But the point I want to make to you, and I think you saw this in the previous tutorial, is that even though I have decoupled the data link, look, the data resides. From the last refresh of data from that external data source, that data, the data structure, the columns are there. You can see in the truck, the last time we refreshed, you remember we added the new. So all that remains. It isn't like when you disconnect it, you go back to the original configuration with just shape ID. You still retain all of these for each one of these instances on the diagram that you've already been working with. Okay, and that's another reason why I say make a backup before you do it, because you may want to get back to your original diagram where you don't have all this for some reason. But notice this: if we drag another shape, a truck shape over here, I'm not going to put anything in right now. I just say, okay, look, this object here only has the shape ID. Okay? It does not have this other data. Why? It was not present when we did the data linking before. These things you got to look out for when you're modifying the content of your diagram, your shapes. Now, I show this, but that isn't really a big deal. Obviously, if you're adding a new shape, you're going to have to give it a shape ID, and there better be a corresponding record if you want in Excel to collect data on it. So if you do that, then it's just a matter of relinking to your data source and refreshing, which we're going to kind of get back into restoring that data link that we've just removed in the next tutorial.